Oh, wow, this is interesting. Oh, God, whose head is that? It's Wednesday, and I'm going to take you on my bike ride from this afternoon. Today is January 11th, 2012. So my question is, where's Channel 2 News? Or KGMB or KITV? This is the water main break in Lanikai. And, oh, look at that gentleman. He's braving the puddle with his bicycle. And it's Wednesday afternoon. Let's see if he made it through the puddle okay. You made it through that puddle okay?
No, Lake Lanikai.
Oh, darn it. Eyewitness news. It's sort of surreal. Hey, look, we're down at world famous Lanikai Beach. I'm on my bike ride, just checking things out. You may have seen the earlier report about the water main break at the end of Mokulua. Looks pretty steady while I'm doing this. Not sure how it's going to be in real life. There's the cruiser over there. It's a Specialized Crossroads with $16 14-inch riser handlebars. But the thing that saves my ass and other parts in the middle is this spongy wonder seat. It's a crazy Canadian guy who came up with this thing. SpongyWonder.com. SPONGY Wonder, one word.com. It'll save you, men and women. If you like to ride a lot, don't ride in pain. Well, here's the place that caught on fire in Lanikai the other morning. This is like a $5 million house. It's got 2 stories. It's very beautiful. God, there's a car in there. Fortunately, nobody got hurt. But wow, it's pretty much cooked. Nice dismount. We give her an 8. Ooh, he takes it up on shore and walks right off. We give him a 9.57. 9.57. Hey, we're at Kailua Boat Ramp. Ohana time. There's Flat Island, Popoia. Kaneohe Marine Corps Air Station is out there. That's Mokapu Peninsula. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Kailua Bay. The old-timers will notice that the concrete blocks are gone. The 1960s sand traps were removed a while back, and they've made some kind of weak repairs again to the boat ramp. This time, however, they used more concrete. Last year they did all asphalt. And of course asphalt just pops out. Beautiful night. Wish you were here. Then again, it is a little crowded already. Oh, here comes some more stand-up paddlers. It's eerie. Sometimes at the right angle, you see a bunch of them out on the bay, and you don't see the board. And the first thing that comes to mind is, hey, they're walking on water. I have not tried that yet. It involves a rather expensive board. I like body surfing. It's cheap. I'd also like to be a kite surfer. I'd also like to be king for a day. I'd also like to be someone who lives forever. But if I can't do that, I'm hoping that when I do pass away and my ashes are scattered here in the bay, and I run into St. Peter, that he'll allow me to haunt Kailua Bay. And if that happens and you happen to see size 13 or 14 impressions of big feet in the sand, you'll know I'm standing next to you and getting ready to ride some more waves at Kailua Bay. I give these guys like a 5. They didn't even try. The other guy and his girlfriend were had a little more pizzazz on there, especially the walk-off. That was great. Okay, well, time to get home before dark. Have a great day tomorrow, wherever you are. This has been a Spinning Fan production. All rights reserved, 2012, Hotspots Hawaii, Inc. Inc. Is that with a C or a K?